Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Real Cash. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make money online by doing simple copy paste job. No investment, no special skills needed, and it's perfect for beginners in 2025. If you are looking for a side hustle, you can start right now from home. Keep watching. What are copy paste jobs? Copy paste jobs are tasks where you literally copy content from one place and paste it somewhere else, like posting ads, uploading product details, or resharing content. These jobs are really very easy, but you still need to know where to find them and how to do them right. There are various types of copy and paste job, like data entry jobs. Data entry jobs involve copying information from sources like PDFs or Excel sheets and pasting it into websites, database, or CRM systems. You will often deal with the customer info, product data, or form submissions. Accuracy and speeds are key. These jobs are common on freelance sites like Upwork and Freelancer. No advanced skill needed, just basic typing and attention to detail. Great for beginners who want consistent work from home. Second is affiliate link sharing. In this type of job, you copy referral or affiliate links and paste them into content like blog, post, YouTube descriptions, or social media. The goal is to get clicks or sales through your link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Digistore24, and ClickBank offer affiliate programs. You earn commission per sale or click. It's simple but works best when paired with smart content placement or niche targeting. Third is product listing job. Here, your task is to copy product information, titles, description, prices, and images from a source like a supplier website and paste it into an online store platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon. Accuracy is important because customers rely on this data. It's ideal for virtual assistants or freelancers helping e commerce sellers. Some listing may need minor editing or keyword optimization. Fourth is email or message sending. This involves copying pre-written email or message templates and sending them to a list of recipients, often for marketing or lead generation. You may work with Gmail, Outlook, or tools like MailChimp or WhatsApp. Just copy the content, paste it into each message, and send. Consistency and organization are the key. It's very easy to work, but you may have to track responses or manage list. Fifth is ad posting job. In ad posting, you are copying pre-written ad content and posting it on classified site like Craigslist, OLX, or Facebook Marketplace. Some clients may provide images and titles too. All you need to do is to follow posting guidelines and ensure each ad is submitted correctly. These jobs help small businesses get visibility. It's a repetitive but simple task that pays per post or in a bulk. So, where to find copy and paste job? Now, let's look at where to find legit copy and paste jobs. But be careful, there are scams out there. These are the trusted platforms. First is freelancer.com. First, go to www.freelancer.com and sign up for a free account. Then, choose work as a freelancer. Then, fill in your skills and make sure to add data entry, copy typing, virtual assistants, and web search. Next is complete your profile with a clear photo, short bio, and highlight any experience, even if it's basic. Then go to the browse jobs section and type copy paste or data entry in the search bar. Now You will see hundreds of jobs posted daily. Click on one that which suits you. Read the instruction carefully and then click place a bid. Now mention how fast and accurately you can do the job. Remember to keep your bid amount reasonable. If you are new, it would be maximum $5 to $20 per task, which is common for beginners. Then once accepted, the client will share the data. Now you will copy content from a file or website and paste it into the system. It's that simple. Second site is PeoplePara. Visit www.peoplepara.com and create a freelancer account. Then fill out your profile with skills like data entry, copy typing, and virtual assistant. Add a clear photo, a professional bio, and list your experience, even if it's basic. Then go to the Scratch Projects section and type copy paste in the search bar. Browse through jobs and apply to the ones that match your ability. Now, to stand out, write a short, honest proposal saying you're fast, accurate, and ready to start immediately. Remember to keep your price competitive, especially if you are just starting out. Similarly, you can also visit Upwork.com, Clickwork.com, Guru.com, remote jobs boards. All these sites provide a copy paste jobs. Now, how to do the work? So, how do you actually complete a copy paste job? It's simple, but you need to be accurate and follow the instruction carefully and closely. First, once you are hired, the client will send you the source data. This could be a PDF document, a website link, an Excel sheet, or even a plain text file. Now, your job is to go through the provided data carefully. Next, you can copy the required content. This could be a product detail, contact information, article text, or consumer data. Now, make sure you only copy what's needed. Avoid extra formatting or mistakes. Then, you paste this data into the destination as instructed. This might be a form on a website, an Excel spreadsheet, a Google Doc, or a CRM tool. Double check for spelling, spacing, and formatting to keep it clean and professional. Finally, once you have completed the task, submit it for the review to your client. Now they will check your work, request changes if needed, and once approved, you get paid. How much can you earn? So, how much can you actually earn from copy paste jobs? It depends on the platform and the complexity of the task. On micro task sites like Micro Workers, you can earn around $5 to $10 per task. If you are working part-time on Freelancer or Upwork, you can make $50 to $100 per week. With regular clients and consistent efforts, some freelancers earn up to $500 or more per month just doing simple copy-paste work. But remember to avoid scams. Never pay upfront to get work. If a site asks for a registration fees, it's likely a scam. Stick to trusted freelancing platforms and always read reviews. And here's the bonus tip. Build a portfolio with screenshots of your completed work. It builds a trust and helps you get higher paying job faster. So, if you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe for more real ways to earn online. Got questions? Please drop them in the comment box. I will reply to everyone. Thank you.